15 key tips to prepare for your IB evaluation visit. Welcome, educators, administrators, and all who are dedicated to the enriching world of international education. Today, we're delving into a topic of great importance and excitement for schools around the globe: preparing for the International Baccalaureate IB evaluation visit. The IB evaluation visit is a pivotal moment for any school. It's not just an assessment, it's an opportunity to showcase your commitment to providing a high-quality, internationally minded education. This process helps ensure that your school aligns with the rigorous standards and practices of the IB, fostering an environment where students can thrive both academically and personally. But how do we ensure that our school is ready for this significant event? Preparation is the key. It's about more than just meeting standards. It's about embracing the IB philosophy, enhancing educational practices, and engaging the entire school community in a journey of continuous improvement. In today's video, we'll explore the top 15 tips to effectively prepare for your IB evaluation visit. From developing a comprehensive action plan to fostering a reflective school culture, we'll guide you through each step of this exciting journey. So, whether you're just beginning your IB journey or looking to refine your existing practices, join us as we navigate the path to a successful and enriching IB evaluation visit. Let's embark on this journey together, enhancing the educational experience for our students and setting the stage for a brighter, more interconnected future. 15 key tips to prepare for your IB evaluation visit. 1. Develop a comprehensive action plan. Begin with a detailed gap analysis to compare current practices against IB standards. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Assign clear roles and responsibilities to staff members. Create a detailed timeline with deadlines for each objective and establish a system for regular review and adjustment of the plan. This structured approach ensures systematic progress towards meeting IB standards. 2. Deeply understand IB standards and practices. Organize workshops and training sessions on IB standards to deepen staff understanding. Facilitate staff discussion groups and provide access to relevant IB materials and resources. This comprehensive understanding is crucial for aligning school practices with IB expectations. 3. Refine self-study reports. Ensure these reports accurately reflect the school's IB implementation. Include concrete examples and evidence of IB practices and seek feedback on the reports from various stakeholders. Accurate and reflective self-study reports are essential for a successful evaluation. 4. Engage the entire school community. Hold regular meetings with staff, students, and parents, and conduct workshops to educate the community about the IB. Ensure inclusivity by hearing and considering all voices, fostering a collaborative environment supportive of the IB philosophy. 5. Prioritize professional development. Enroll staff in IB-approved workshops and utilize experienced IB educators for in-house training. Encourage ongoing learning and reflection to keep staff updated and aligned with IB requirements. 6. Conduct a curriculum review. Ensure the curriculum aligns with IB philosophy and objectives. Review and update teaching materials and resources, and promote collaborative planning among teachers. A well-aligned curriculum is fundamental to delivering an effective IB program. 7. Enhance assessment practices. Align assessments with IB criteria and use a variety of assessment methods. Implement effective feedback systems for students, ensuring assessments are both comprehensive and conducive to learning. 8. Organize evidence of IB implementation. Compile lesson plans, student work, and collaborative planning records. Create portfolios showcasing examples of student learning and include photographs or videos of classroom activities and projects. This evidence demonstrates the practical application of IB principles. 9. Upgrade facilities and resources. Evaluate the adequacy of current resources and develop a plan for enhancing facilities. Ensure effective integration of technology, as modern resources are key to an effective IB program. 10. Improve student support services. Conduct an assessment of student needs and review and enhance support programs. Ensure services are accessible to all students, catering to the diverse needs of the school population. 11. Update policies and documentation. Establish a regular review cycle for all policies, ensuring they align with current IB standards. Make policies easily accessible to the school community, promoting transparency and adherence. 12. Develop clear communication strategies. Provide regular updates to stakeholders and establish channels for feedback and suggestions. Maintain transparency throughout the process, keeping everyone informed and engaged. 13. Conduct a mock evaluation. Simulate the evaluation process and consider inviting external educators for an unbiased perspective. Use the feedback to make concrete improvements, fine-tuning practices ahead of the actual evaluation. 14. Foster a reflective school culture. Incorporate regular reflection activities for staff and students. Encourage staff to model the IB learner profile at their iPads and involve the wider school community in reflective practices. A reflective culture is key to continuous improvement. 15. Maintain a positive and calm attitude. Provide resources and strategies for managing stress and regularly celebrate progress and achievements. Foster a supportive and understanding environment, helping everyone to approach the evaluation with confidence and positivity. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey through the essentials of preparing for an IB evaluation visit. I hope that the tips and strategies we've explored today have not only equipped you with the knowledge to excel in your upcoming evaluation, but also inspired you to continue fostering a culture of excellence and international mindedness in your educational endeavors. Remember, the journey towards an IB evaluation is not just a checklist of standards to meet. It's an opportunity to reflect, grow, and enhance the educational experience for every member of your school community. It's about building a learning environment where students are encouraged to think critically, embrace diversity, and become active, compassionate lifelong learners. The path to IB evaluation success is a collaborative and continuous journey. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the milestones, and always keep the spirit of learning and improvement alive. Until next time, keep inspiring, keep learning, and keep making a difference.